Joy and jubilation as Jamaicans crowded Halfway Tree Square for the float and street parade to kick off the country's Emancipation Day celebrations. Now in this story, Jamaica Maitland tells us more about this year's event.
Clad in black, green and gold, citizens painted Halfway Tree Square in the Jamaican colors for the float and street parade in honor of Emancipation Day celebrations. Among the crowd was Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
Ladies and gentlemen, happy Emancipation Day!
The parade was cancelled for 2 years due to the COVID-19 pandemic. But this morning, the Jamaican culture was on display, from the national heroes to food, music and dance. The country's beauty queens also stole the show in a convoy of classic cars. According to the Culture Ministry, over 1,000 people participated in the parade, including the Jamaica Fire Brigade, the police, the army, cadets, among others.
We are a proud people, a strong people. We have seen hardships there may be, and definitely today the sun shineth.
The parade ended at the National Stadium, where the celebrations are expected to continue until Independence Day. And as the country celebrates 60 years of independence, Culture Minister Olivia Babsy Green says Jamaicans will be in for a treat.
We're going to have a spectacular show of drones. In fact, we have a team coming in from overseas that it's going to be as spectacular as the fireworks, which we will have fireworks again.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.